Hi, this is Catherine from AHA. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your AHA Roadmaps account to align with the way that your organization works. In this video, we're going to focus on account level settings, starting with how to set up your workspace hierarchy. Then we'll get into how to define statuses and workflows, create scorecards, and customize your record layouts. From there, it's helpful to check out our video on workspace settings to learn how to apply all of these customizations to suit the needs of each team. Now let's get started. To access your account settings, head over to the gear icon and click on Account. If you have administrator permissions, this is also where you can update your account profile, including custom domain and branding options, and also where you can manage user permissions to make sure that the right people have the right level of access to different workspaces in your account. Now let's take a deeper look at the customizations you can make at the account level, starting with workspaces. Organize your workspace hierarchy to match the way that your organization is structured. Use parent lines to create as many levels as you need to represent your company, division, and product lines. Then add as many individual workspaces as you need for each product or team. This structure will appear in your workspace hierarchy dropdown. This is how users will navigate in between workspaces. This is foundational for setting up your account for success, so that you can show how your strategy ties together at every level of your organization and help teams work together as effectively as possible. We recommend starting simple because you can always come back and make changes later on. And if you need help thinking through the best way to do this, reach out to our customer success team. Now let's talk about how to define custom statuses and workflows to help your work move more smoothly through your process. As you can see here, you can set workflows for goals, initiatives, releases, features, and ideas. And you can also see how each workflow is used in different workspaces. Let's add a new one for features. We're going to start with an example workflow and then tailor it to fit our needs. Let's start by giving it a name, Fredwin Features. Then we have a choice for a transition type. You can choose between flexible and fixed. Flexible means that you can skip steps in the workflow, while fixed means that every step needs to be followed. Coming down to statuses, I want to add a new one in between in development and ready to ship for testing. You can see how easy it is to rearrange statuses by simply dragging and dropping. Down below, you can also create custom types, like a new feature or a feature that's focused on improvement. And you can also set up templates for features and requirements to help the team capture information in a consistent way. You can create as many custom workflows as you would like, and then set a default for each record type to help drive standards and best practices across teams. Next, I want to show you how you can use scorecards to objectively compare records against one another. This is useful for things like ranking competitors and making objective prioritization decisions. Let's open up the AHA Default Product Value Scorecard. This provides a consistent way to assess the potential value of work items, like ideas and features, based on 5 key metrics: population, need, alignment with your product strategy, the effort it will take to build, and your overall confidence in the score. You can edit any of these metrics to suit your needs, or create your own scorecard based on the prioritization framework that your team follows. The last area I want to show you is how to create custom layouts for your records. But first, let me back up a moment and explain that every record type in AHA Roadmaps includes a standard set of existing fields, like the description, status, assignee, and so on. You can control which fields appear and in what order when you either open up a record in the Drawer or Details view, or when you create a new record. Here, we're going to add a new custom layout for features. And at first, we see the standard layout for the Features Drawer view. You can control which fields show on each record, with options to always show it, hide it if empty, or make it read only. And I can really easily rearrange the fields by dragging and dropping. If you need to capture additional details, simply add an existing field or create a new custom field. You can choose from more than 20 different types of custom fields, including text, date, number, and so on. Let's add a new field for a predefined choice list because we want to capture the platform that we're building for. So I'm going to add a choice for mobile and a choice for desktop. It's that easy. You can include any of these fields in your reports too. Notice here that you can also rearrange the order of the tabs within the record as well. So this really enables you to customize each record to make it easy for the team to add and view the most important information. That covers the main account level customizations that I wanted to show you today. But note that this is also where you can set up your ideas portals or set up integrations at the account level with tools like Teams, Slack, or Confluence. I hope this helps you start tailoring AHA roadmaps to suit your needs. In this video, we covered account-wide settings to help you put the right framework in place, but do watch the video that covers workspace settings to take this a step further and customize your workspaces to fit the way each team works. And remember, we're always here to help. Head over to the question mark icon in your account at any time to search our extensive knowledge base. Reach out to an expert on our customer success team. Keep up with what's new. We release new features weekly. Or start a trial of one of the advanced plans of one of our other products that make up our full product development suite.